Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to invite anyone in Discord. To get started, make sure you have installed Discord app on your device. Once you are there, open Discord app. Now you will see somewhat like this. Go to the server, and in the server you can see the message box. Just beside that you can see the plus icon, gift icon, and many more. Leave it, and at the top right side you can see some picture like a human or something like that, which is also represented as a friend request icon. Click on it, and there you can see the invite members option. Click on it and invite anyone you like from your friend list. So that is how easily you can invite anyone in Discord.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.